Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite low ponytails. It's so elegant and so easy. It takes me about 5 minutes to do, so you're going to love it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair off correctly. So I'm going to take the section in front of my ear and bring it forward and then push everything else backwards. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to gather all of the hair in the back section and I'm going to secure it with a clear elastic very low towards the nape of my neck. Next, I'm going to take the sections from the sides and pull them towards the back. Make sure to smooth them out so you don't have any crazy pieces. And then I'm going to take another clear elastic and I'm going to secure that. Now I'm going to twist this. And I'm going to pull my ponytail through. And then tighten it. And then I'm just going to pull small pieces around the crown of my hair just to loosen it up and make it look a little bit more effortless. I am now going to take a comb and I'm just going to tease my ponytail just a little bit to make it really full and voluminous. And that is all. It's so simple and easy and takes me under 5 minutes to do the whole thing. I know it's gonna become one of your favorites, so don't forget to like this tutorial and also subscribe so that you can see new easy tips for your hair and makeup every single week.